Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the bow of the Fleeting in Crimson Desert. First things first, head to this side of the map. The location is called Mukun, a village at the southeast edge of Tashkop in the Crimson Desert. The vendor we're looking for is the back alley vendor shop right here. However, there's a chain quest that you have to complete first before you can unlock this vendor. Our How to Unlock the True Black Die video in this channel covers this, so please make sure to check it out. If you interact with this vendor and open his shop, you'll see that he sells the Ranged Weapons of the World Bows Volume 4. Buy this, then open your inventory and make sure to read the book to gain the crafting knowledge for it. After that, if you head to a smithy, you can find the bow of the Fleeting is now craftable. Now gather the materials needed for this bow. After you've gathered the materials, go ahead and craft the bow in the smithy. At level 3 refinement, this bow gives 16 attack and a level 1 crit rate. But at max level, this is one of the few bows that goes up to level 2 crit rate. It's an extremely strong bow compared to other tier 5 bows since it gives extra crit rate instead of attack speed. The design of it is extremely unique, so if you're also into fashion weapons, then this one might be just for you. And that's how to get the bow of the Fleeting in Crimson Desert. Thank you so much for watching.